Hey there. So I'm with the JIRA's walkthrough tutorials right now, and like I said in previous tutorial, I'm going to give you walkthrough for creating a new project and then managing that project. So if you are logged into your JIRA dashboard, check the admin panel here in the right bottom. You can adjust any way you want. However, it is by default in the right side, so just go to the link of create new, open a new tab or click on it. You will be asked for the password. Enter the password and it should take you to the new project. Let's say Devanami web app. So second thing is to remember is key of the project. Let's type Devanami 1 and now add the project. So we have 2-character project here. So let's get it to work. Okay, so our project is now created. So once you see the project created, you will be redirected to page like this, where you will see the name of your project and type of issue that you can raise, people assigned to your project. Project lead right now is me. Default assignee is project lead. Roles can be assigned from here. Then for version type, you can assign version 1, 2, 3, 4 for the project here. Workflow is explained here, where you can assign the task in progress or resolved. Also get the components added in the project like database, user interface. While you can check these components and their status in the project, then the permissions assigned for each task or who is accessing which part of the project and working on the issue. Screen is basically this is the different type of screens that are shown or viewed while in the workflow, and the settings for version control and additional text fields that if you want to add, and notifications. So first we will start with our project. Okay, so we have Devanami web app as our first project. So thing to do here is let's create a new version for our web app. Web app 1.0 description. First version of web app, release date 29th of this month. Click on add. It should add as first version. Now let's get back to the project page. You'll find that the version related information is added here. Now let's add people in our project. User 1 should be here. Let's remove from administrator and add to tester group and click on update. Now user 1 is in group tester. Devanami is also in testers, so let's remove this from here, and in tester group we'll add user 1. Okay, and this should be here. Update. Now Devanami and user 1 are in tester group, so let's get back to the project and check the changes. Okay, so we have our roles adjusted here. Now add the component. First component should be Android app. Description: app on Android platform. Component lead will be user 1, and project default is project lead. Default assignee is Devanami. Add. Okay, so this is our component. Database should be the next, which is SQLite. Now component lead will be again user 1. Assignee should be the same. Okay, so 2 components are added. Let's go back and check on our project tab. Okay, so we have 2 components, version. To that we can also assign permission scheme. Okay, so let's keep the default as is. If you want to do any additional changes to the roles of administrator and users, you can do from permission scheme. Also you have notifications. If you have email notifications configured with mail server configurations, you can edit this. Right now I don't have that, so I'm not configuring notifications. Then you have settings for project configuration like CVS models. We don't have CVS setup, so I will leave those settings. Then we have information fields. Different issues can have different information fields, so this is the place to add new information to those fields. Like, let's say if we have those version, assigning, comment, description, environment, so by default the fields are enough. If you want to add a new field, just click on this icon at the right side, pencil icon. So when you click on it, you will be able to assign or edit. Then let's come back to the project, then check for the screen. The screens allow you to arrange the fields to be displayed on issue. Different screen used when an issue is created, viewed, edited, or transitions through workflow. So let's first check the workflow. So whatever the practice our team or we are following should be part of our workflow. So when we create a new task or report a bug or improvement of feature set, then we will be able to get our workflow and able to modify that. Current workflow scheme is given by JIRA. If you have your company or your own small scale business has its own workflow for raising those features or bug or defect, then you can follow that. So this is pretty much the project management side. In another tutorial I'm giving specific attention to raising bug defect, feature improvements, tasks and subtasks. So I hope you are enjoying this series, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye.